Okay, two things you need here. Place your bottle on the ground. Then you put a green pepper on your hand or anything to make a green in your hand. Then you come in after you placed your camera on a tripod on portrait mode. Then look at what I am doing. Okay, you just show the hand. Then you start moving the hand around the bottle, alright? Around the space where you sat. But remember, you're making a green in your hands. Without that green, this hole in your hands video cannot work out. So make sure you make a green in your hands. After that, you do what I am doing now. Just move your hands around. After moving your hands around now, then you can now move out. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. CapCut, new project, import your video to workspace. Click on your video, locate volume guys, go and look for volume. Click on volume now, reduce it to 0, mark on this good and go back. Mark out an empty background for this video. Before you move out, click on the video, make a split. Go and look for overlay, then you overlay this one, okay? Click on overlay now. Click on the video and drag it to the beginning of the video. Then you come back and click on your background. Go and look for freeze, guys. Click on freeze now. Click and drag it to the duration of your video. After that, you can now come back. Let's locate where we want the video to start from. This place where you raise your hand up, click on it and make a split. Delete this first part, okay? Click this one and drag it to the beginning again, alright? So what we are going to be doing now is to click on the video. So as you click on the video now, you go and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG here. Click on chroma key. Drag the picker to that green in your hands. Look at it. Then you want to increase the intensity to at least 45. Alright? Increase the intensity to at least 45. After increasing the intensity, you come down and increase the shadow to at least 20. Alright? 45. Leave it there. Increase this one to 20. After that, you mark on that good and go back. That is all. Now you have made a hole in your hands. Look at it. So you are moving your hand now. Look at the hole there. That is how to make a hole in your hands. Alright? At this point now, I feel and I think that this video is ready. Look at it as you are playing it. The video is ready. That is how to make hole in your hands. So what will be remaining here now is to add your effects. After adding your effects, you can now export your video, alright? But before then, we are going to be cutting out the unwanted part of the video. So as the video play to a certain part, alright? You click here. We want to make a split here now, alright? So at this point now, make a split on this very place. Click on this one as well, make a split. Delete the two of them. We don't need them again, alright? We don't need these two again. After deleting them now, this video is ready, alright? Add your effects, then export the video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those effects. I want you to put me through. At the description of this video, my number is there. Just go and DM me. I will put you through on how to add your necessary effects. And after that now, you export this video to your gallery, then you share it to your social media handles, okay? So what we are going to be doing now is that we are going to be exporting this video. So you click on export now, but before then, you increase your resolution. Well, this my resolution, the setting is okay. Then I will click on export. Then I will export my video to my gallery. Look at it, it's exporting. Now it has finished exporting. You can now share the video to social media handles. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates, okay? Locate your notification bell. Click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials, okay? See you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.